This video is a little bit late, and that's because I was on holiday riding Zadra. But now I'm back, I can show you what we're doing. Me and Coaster Obsessed are going to be having a build-off. So from when this video goes live, which is the 29th of September, today, as you're watching this hopefully, all the way until the 1st of October, that's Sunday, one full weekend, we're going to be competing against each other. And that's going to be to see who can build the best compact Eurofighter coaster. The area behind me here is the absolute limit of space. But to make this competition more interesting, I've done something for me and him in preparation for this build-off. These are 12 fresh ceramic bearings. We both have a set of 12. And this is a 3D printed Eurofighter train that I printed, one for me and one for Coaster Obsessed. It's the same print file with the same material, with the same screws and the same brass threads. And the assemblies are also printed from the same file and from the same material. So when both of our trains are put together, they should weigh the exact same amount. This should hopefully make the competition as fair as possible. Get some fresh bearings on these new assemblies and get them on this new, fresh Eurofighter train. There we go, all complete. Looking good and able to rotate. Next order of business, however, we need to clear all this out. So I've had to move my current project in here, and a little bit by Leo's cage. And after some prep work, we now have a nice big space to work with. All I need to do is prep the area tonight on stream, so make sure you're joining.